Welcome back, my amazing learners. Let us continue learning about digital citizenship. Now, this lesson will be a little bit longer than the previous one. This lesson is about us pausing and thinking about what we're doing online. Because just as we're citizens of our different countries, like Jamaica, or we might be a citizen of the Cayman Islands or Trinidad or America or any other country, when we're online, we're in an online community and we should be good citizens of that online community. All right? So we're going to learn about how we should pause and think before we do certain things online. Now, an important question is there. It says, how can we be safe, responsible, and respectful online? That's a lot. How can we be safe, free from harm or danger? What should we do so we don't get harmed and we don't get into any trouble? Responsible when we're online? I thought that was only when I was out on the road. No, you still have to be responsible when you're online. You still have to do the things that you're supposed to do. Respectful. Yes, you still have to show respect when you're online. So we're going to learn how to do all of those things at the same time while we're on the internet or on the World Wide Web. Online. Let's read again what the word online means. Using a computer, phone, or tablet to visit a website or app. How about the word pause? It means to stop what you're doing or saying. Let's watch this video together.
Use your head when you're online, most especially your mind. Think about the things you see. Ask good questions, that's the key. Use your arms when you're online to take a break and balance time and leave your tech behind. When you find yourself a tree to climb, from your head down to your toes, pause, think about it. From your feet up to your nose, pause and think online. Use your gut when you're online. Pay attention to its signs. Know when it's safe to play. Make good choices every day. Use your legs when you're online. Stand up to bullies who cross the line. You can help friends big or small. Just lend an ear and stand up tall. From your head down to your toes, pause, think about it. From your feet up to your nose, pause and think online. Use your feet when you're online. Think about the tracks you leave behind. Privacy's the way to go. Don't share with people you don't know. Use your heart when you're online. Always do what's right and kind by showing friends respect and being nice on the internet. So think with your head, balance with your arms, listen to your gut, stand up with your legs, make good tracks with your feet, and feel with your heart. Just pause and think online.
I really love that song and I hope you were listening to the words of the song. Now, students, an important thing to remember is that you don't just post everything that you think of online. You pause and you think about it before you post. All right, so for example, I've had some students reach out to me online and they type out their entire first name and last name. Now, students, I want you to stop doing that. What you should do instead is use a nickname. Not everyone on the internet needs to know your name. Not everyone needs to know exactly where you come from or anything personal about you. All right, so if you're answering a question, For example, you're making a comment below. You don't need to use your government issued school email. You don't need to use your real first name or your real last name. So for example, if your name is Joshua McLean, you could give yourself a nickname like Nosh Nosh, Nosh Nosh 123, or something like that. Or Breadfruit King 876. Or you could make up a name based on something that you like to eat, like Chicken Miss, because you like chicken. Or you could say Mango Boss. Whatever it is, pause and think before you post anything online. Even if it's just a comment that you're leaving, pause and think about it first. All right, so I hope that you got that section of the lesson. We are going to look at these cartoons now. So the green one with the long arms, his name is Arms. The yellow one with the big belly, his name is Guts. The orange one with the large feet, his name is Feet. Then we have the purple one with the long legs, his name is Legs. The pink one with a heart on his chest, the name is Heart. And the blue one with a large head and wearing glasses, the name is Head. So you can bear that in mind while you think about which character do you relate to the most when you go online. Which character? For me, I relate most to the yellow one, Guts, because I tend to follow my instincts or my intuition when it comes to certain things online. So like when I see a suspicious message, I'm not going to click on it. I'm going to follow my guts and not click on it. Now you think about which character that you relate to the most, and you can type it in the comments below, or you can wait until we're in Google Classroom together, or you can just shoot me a message. You know how to keep in touch with me. Now, do you believe everything you see on the internet? Let's look at this example. It says eating ice cream makes you smarter. Do you believe that? Do you believe every single thing that you read or see or hear on the internet? I hope not. We're going to learn more about that later on in the lessons about digital citizenship. Now, on to the next question. Why should we take a break from technology sometimes? Why? Why? Let me give you a hint. We should take a break because not everything that is on the internet is good for us. So sometimes we have to take a break from all of that. Turn off the phone, turn off the tablet, and go and play football, talk to friends, do some other activity, because that is better for us. It's better for our minds and our feelings and our bodies in general. But you might have other reasons why we should take a break. You can always type them below. Why shouldn't you open a message from someone you don't know? Why? You don't know this person. You don't know why they're sending a message to you. You should think about it. Don't just click on something and download or open. Next question. Why is it important to be kind online? We don't say mean things to each other, hurt each other's feelings. It's the same thing when you're online. You shouldn't try to hurt somebody's feelings. You should be polite to them. You should be kind. Why shouldn't you share your username and password with other people? Think about it. Talk about it with mommy and daddy, or auntie or uncle. Any adult that is at home with you, discuss this question with them. How do you communicate with friends and family online? How? Pause and think. I'm going to put that in the description box for you. Now, you can always put your answers in the comment section, or you can email me, or you can send me a message in Google Classroom. But I look forward to hearing your answers, children, and I hope you enjoyed that lesson. Thanks for watching.